Manufacturing is complex, but your tools shouldn't be. In this quick guide, let's explore how Odoo's bill of materials can simplify your production process, automate scheduling, and give you full control from raw material to finished product. A bill of materials, or BoM, is your product's recipe. It includes every component and operation required to build a product. Odoo lets you create BoMs directly from the manufacturing module, and you can structure them in two ways: single level for simple builds, or multi-level for more complex assemblies. Multi-level BoMs help break down complex products into manageable sub-assemblies. This boosts efficiency, enables reuse of common parts, and helps detect material shortages early, making your production smarter and more scalable. Odoo automates everything, from reordering rules to lead times and manufacturing order creation. Component status lights show blockers instantly. You can even manage BoM versions, link product variants, and track actual costs through analytics. With the right BoM setup, your manufacturing becomes leaner, faster, and more predictable. Ready to implement smart BoMs with Odoo? Connect with Pragmatic TechSoft will help you make it real. Streamline manufacturing with Odoo. Schedule your free demo. Thank you.